Hi everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of deleting your Phantom Wallet account. Phantom Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet for Solana and Ethereum, but if you need to delete your account for any reason, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in. First, open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. You can use either the mobile app or your phone or the browser extension on your desktop. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to delete. Once you are in the app, look at the settings. On mobile, you will usually find this by tapping the menu icon or your profile picture. On desktop, click on the settings icon in the extension. In the settings menu, look for the option that says delete account. This option might be under a section like account management or security. Tap or click on it. You will be prompted to confirm that you really want to delete your account. This step is crucial because once you confirm, all data associated with your wallet will be permanently removed. Be sure you have backed up any important information before proceeding. After confirming, you may need to enter your password or complete a verification process. Follow the prompts to complete the deletion. Once done, your account will be deleted and you will be logged out of the app. And that's it. Your Phantom Wallet account is now deleted. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials and updates. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.